Everybody was healthy. Everybody was healthy. But our Chuck was coaching his ass off. And we did it for him. Boss, you got it.
I've never been so proud of a group of guys that came together. You know, we know what kind of man we have just down the street in the hospital.
From the Miami 9, 3rd and goal. Snap is to Andrew. Andrew looks. Andrew throws back to the end zone. Touchdown, Reggie Wayne! Andrew is going to let one fly. It is touchdown! The Colts get it. T.Y. Hilton took it away from 2 defenders.
What a football game.
I got circumstances. You guys understand it? I understand it. It's hard to beat.
Yeah, man.
It's hard to beat. That I'm living. See 2 more daughters get married, dance at their weddings, and then hoist that Lombardi several times. Several times looking to hoist that baby.
Chuck Pagano, he's back. He's on the sidelines.
Don't worry, it's about fun again. We got a long way to go today.
Standing ovation, 64,000 plus.
Everyone in this stadium is standing, including the coaches in the booth next to us.
You already know it.
Luck takes a snap. Luck's going to throw it. Looking back in the end zone. Got a man. Touchdown. Kobe Fleeter. 75-yard drive to open the game.
Easy. Kareem's going to play it a yard deep. He'll bring it out. He got down very quickly, but he finds a hole. He makes it over. He's gone. Touchdown. 101-yard return. And the Colts reclaim the lead. Luck sets up. He's going to throw one down the middle. Oh, yeah. He's going to score. 70 yards on the touchdown throw from Luck.
Chuck Pagano and Bruce Arians with a huge embrace. It couldn't happen to a nicer guy. That turn anymore. Coming down as I got off on Martin Luther King, that truck was like pulling like this to go to Michigan, to go to that IU center. No more. And I'm back here because of you and every man in here. Because my inspiration came week in and week out by just watching you fight. And that was better than any medicine that the doctors could give me. I feel so blessed to be back with you guys in the battle. Thank you so much.